Greetings and welcome from Got Matcha. We are pleased to introduce something that we've been working on for several months.
Yeah.
It is an amazing, I wouldn't even call it a bar. It's not an energy bar. It's not a protein bar. But it is a whole food, whole body, nourishing
food. It's a
food
meal
bar experience. So
you could live on it.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
So
That's
what
why
we'd
we
like
called
to
it,
do
yeah.
is just kind of talk a little bit about what is so unique about this bar.
Right.
Because truly there is nothing like this on the market.
Yeah.
The ingredients that we researched over several months and determined to put in are not really being used presently in the bar industry,
Yeah.
or very, very little, and not grouped in this way.
Right.
As well, since we are the end product, the end user, we want to make sure that what we put in our bodies is really the
Right.
very best that we can do.
Right. We're very selfish when we create products
Yes.
because it has to be the best, knowing that we're going to eat it and
Exactly.
give it to our family. And
Exactly.
so we use the best ingredients.
Mm-hmm.
And it's kind of like the matcha protein meal. It's
Right.
taking those amazing ingredients and putting them into a bar.
Right.
And like I said, we're not going to call it a bar. That's why we called it the Matcha Crunch.
Yes. Yes.
You know, and it's a very, very fun. We have the Sacha Inchi protein, which also is
So let's
not common
let's
on the
talk
market.
about what some of the difficulties we were looking at as we began to look into
Yeah.
creating. Let's call it a bar for the sake of the term.
Crunch
we
bar.
wanted something with our organic ceremonial matcha.
Right, of course.
So that was a given. Beyond that, it's like, okay, where do we go to really
Yeah.
put the best ingredients possible that are the most bioavailable, which means the
Right.
body can use them,
Yeah.
versus having a bunch of extracts that you can't even understand what you're eating, and
Or
the body
fillers.
really can't use it.
Well, and that's where we should compare first is
Yep.
when we were looking out there, okay, I don't eat bars. I
Right.
never buy bars anywhere. I can't digest them.
Yeah.
And most of the time it's made with oats. Even if they're gluten-free, it's still starchy, hard to digest.
Right.
They're made with brown rice syrup, which is very inexpensive, very
and
cheap,
has
and your body
really no nutritional value.
Right, your body handles it like a simple sugar, so
It
it's
is, yeah.
it's not good for you. And the crunch that a lot of the bars use will have Rice Krispies.
Right.
Same thing, and actually
Right.
research I've done for many years is when I studied gluten 15 years ago. Rice has the same effect in your body, even though it doesn't technically contain gluten. It has the
Right.
same effect in your digestive tract.
Right.
So for those with sensitive stomachs, which most people have,
So
don't need rice.
exactly.
White
So
rice.
when we started this
Yeah.
project, we said, okay, let's create something that everyone can eat.
Everyone can eat that
So-
will feel good about and
So-
is not allergic to.
Well, read off.
Okay.
Go ahead and, I mean, our bullets.
There's like 19
explain it.
ingredients. Right.
You know.
Well, what's really fun is one of the decisions we made as a group is that we wanted it to be nut-free
Nut-free,
because there's
yeah.
so many nut allergies, and so many of the bars are made with almonds,
Yeah.
cashews, peanut butter.
Oh,
I mean,
peanuts, yeah.
and those are binders,
Yeah.
and it's easy. So what's fun is we found the most amazing sunflower butter. Just
Right.
sunflower seeds, organic, and
Right.
the flavor is incredible, and it's so easy to digest.
Yes.
So that's a big one right
basically,
there.
Without question, our bars are certified organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan,
Yes.
grain-free, nut-free, soy-free,
All the above.
paleo-friendly, long shell life, low glycemia.
See, and that's the other thing is we have a bar that is raw that
Yeah.
has to be refrigerated. This is shelf stable,
Yeah.
so you do not have to store it in the refrigerator or the freezer. You can have it sit on the shelf for 9 months, take it anywhere on the go, and so that's why I always say, like with our matcha protein meal, this is like the protein meal plus
Yes.
some extra in a
Yeah.
bar on the go, which is really nice
Yeah.
for those of us who are really busy. I just keep
Yeah.
them in my purse, in my car, wherever,
Yeah.
But I think the protein is a big part that we should touch. And,
Oh, definitely.
just like the protein meal, we use the Sacha Inchi protein,
Right.
which is
Which is a whole food seed.
complete.
right?
It's a complete protein,
And it
it's
comes from Peru.
right. It's like an Amazonian superfood that you could
Right.
practically survive on
And
for a
people
month.
in the U.S. really still don't know what Sacha Inchi is.
Right. It's
But
very
it
new.
is amazing.
And our source is incredible. I mean, we
Yeah.
get it directly from the source.
We get
family
it directly
farm.
from the farmer.
It's amazing.
And
Yeah.
they're very,
Yeah.
very careful on how they grow this.
Right, so you get your complete protein, and it has good omega fats. It's
Yeah.
good for your brain. Sacha inchi, very similar to matcha, also makes you feel full,
So
very
yeah.
satiated.
And so in comparison,
Right.
the bars that are on the market,
Yeah.
what do they use for sourcing on protein?
Well, it's a lot of isolates. It's usually soy protein isolate,
Yeah.
whey protein isolate,
Yeah,
and even
exactly.
brown rice protein. I'm sorry,
Very. Oh yeah,
I
and that,
can't digest
that is
that.
the common denominator
Yeah.
of all the bars out there. It's going to be brown
Yeah.
rice, protein, solids, isolates.
but right.
It does really nothing
It's
for the body.
unrecognizable.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
not going to absorb. It's not apples to apples. You're
Someone
not
says,
going
"Well,
to absorb it.
I have a bar that's got 25 grams of protein.
like,
Yes,
great.
but the truth is your body's going to use about 2 or 3 grams of that.
Right, right. And some of the
Yeah.
bars that are like these 25 to 30 grams of protein and that's it, you're not going to absorb it because you need good fats to help
Yes,
break it down
exactly.
and some of the good sugars, you
Right.
know, so you need a complete meal. I mean, in nature, you rarely find a plant that
Right.
doesn't have maybe some omegas in it, some
Right.
fiber, the good
Right.
carbs, you know, so it's really, you've got all the parts working together so
Exactly.
that you absorb the protein. You've
So-
got your omega-3s.
So let's move on.
Okay,
Another component of the bar is organic cracked wall chlorella,
Right.
which comes from the sea, and
It's
it
an
is
algae.
amazing. It is an algae. It is a superfood. You won't see that
Right.
in 99% of your bars. You will
No,
not see
and
that.
this is the most expensive form. It's the easiest to digest
Yeah.
for your body to absorb when it's cracked wall. And I always tell people one serving of chlorella algae is like eating pounds of
Yes.
salads and greens. You can't eat
Yeah.
enough.
Yep.
And the produce today
Yeah.
is so nutrient deficient because the soil is so depleted. Even organic soil, organic produce is very depleted in minerals. So by getting chlorella in your diet even a
Yes.
little bit every day is giving you these essential minerals that you're lacking.
Exactly.
So you kind of get your greens and salad and, you know,
So what's great too is we don't have any grains in this.
no.
So there's no nuts. There's no grains.
Right, because the Crispies, quinoa is a seed.
Okay, so
And
now
that's
let's talk
something
about
really
quinoa,
fun. Yeah.
Because a lot of people, people are beginning to hear about quinoa.
Right.
And they say, well, it's Aztec, is it? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Aztec.
And it's ancient,
They
and it is
call
a
it a
superfood.
grain, right?
They call it a grain, but it's not.
Right, it's high protein.
Yeah. So, but
Yeah.
what we have is we've taken our quinoa and we have popped it and crisped it.
Yeah.
There's
So instead
nothing
of-
like this.
It's like you're getting a Rice Krispie
Yeah.
kind of treat in essence, but it's quinoa Krispies and it's nutty and it's amazing.
And what they're calling quinoa is the super seed of the
Right.
future
Right.
because of the potency and what it is going to, do more and more as people become aware of it.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah, because as a grain replacement, it has protein.
Yeah.
It's a high protein source.
Yeah.
So it adds a texture to the bar that is just
Yes.
without it, it wouldn't be
Yes.
the same. Like it's amazing. It's
And
really fun,
So this bar is also low glycemic.
right?
So typically what's being used out there is a lot of sugar, a lot of brown rice syrup,
Right. Cooked honey.
Cooked honey.
Once you heat honey,
whatnot, yeah.
you know, the
So,
sugar is very high.
What we
or-
have in this, of course, is what we use in our teas.
Right.
We also use it in the protein powder. It is the coconut nectar.
Right.
It comes from the flower of the coconut tree,
Right.
which is then dehydrated down and crystallized. So it's not like anything you know. In fact, they
Right.
call coconut sugar typically the wonder sugar because it has so many health benefits.
Right, and we actually use the coconut. It's like a sap.
Yeah, it's
I mean,
like a
we're
sap.
actually using the syrup. That's what helps
Yes.
to bind it because you need something syrupy to bind
Yeah.
your bar together. And so the coconut nectar by itself, I mean, it's caramely. It has like you can taste the minerals in it. I
Oh,
mean,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
very different. It's not just like honey or maple syrup. It even has a little bit of a tang to it. You know, you can tell
see,
it's
Mom, I'm eating a bar
earthier.
that is made with sap.
yeah, seriously, from the flowers. So
Yeah.
it's really fun. What else is in this?
Well, of course, we
the
could go on.
matcha.
We could go on for ages about the
Talked about the
matcha and the
matcha.
benefits because you're getting
Yeah.
a good serving of the matcha in this, and we've made a point
Right.
to do that. And the flavor, you want to open one up and we'll show them.
Right.
Truly, one bar is a meal big time.
Right. And it really
It really
fills you up. And that's
yeah.
what, when you have good fats and
Yeah.
you've got your sachinchi and matcha, it really, it satiates the body for hours.
Yeah, it does.
You know,
It
and
does.
it's
Yeah.
got your fiber, your fats. I mean, it really has every component you need. So